one much or the Cherageson, what did Cheraham? And Koye. What was it you see and who to say Fata? O shet and a shenna to tomb brass or come a tie in a boa decent, or come a taddy yashim, making sure the pants and they shall not get tight, and we lose what ball better come. Na Christo. Order for Mimao Aquaba and Nanope. Last week I talked about things. My case I see Ghana. Some people na me tie muhawa and kwafo views. Say they see a kasafa ho. Now I heard something about a man kra omo hwe omo suye e better na ukunu nkofa side chick and all that. Now me tie na was me pick certain things up. Ebe boy as Christians. Na me answer me the many to forma, especially some of our young boys and our young girls. The way they call themselves princess, children of God, the way they do themselves. Yen to me pay a humble, yes. But at the same time, we have to look decent. How can we do it? Now, who they namia some crack or mobia. The way I will check your appearance, some people they just look at you because some people they just look at you. When they see you, the way you will carry yourself and all that, and they will just walk away. Some of them they think it's a big crime. So what do you mean? If I carry the gospel of God, I was semi-presentation, so you're very right, so that I can present to others. But some me who said me kuta, na me hu na me preach the gospel, na me who to say homeless. Mr. Pooh be crowd be fi say me no masesi no ho aka. Enti no, I didn't need any say me present me home because you heard and they are so for a cry. When they were in the pulpit preaching, you can tell, say, they look decent. Me the miami papa ko see who be example. Onye obi open ho. But so ojina pulpit na wo preach here. The way I walk bonnet tie, and in the suit to be a shadow, and said the papa no, or yama adia no obi every baby na or hen. Obi pay attention. No one say one more damn. Me pacha what ya say. You were two people ne wo we say. Obi ushia na de waya no ho kire se na adwen ni mu kan. Obi so ushia na atum say, oh yes, approach you will stay and listen. If we carry the gospel, we have to look decent. We have to look decent so that when we approach people, we think say be homeless and I am adam and I adwen bi and they be cry approach you because of money. We have to look decent. Na afofra tumi agina mu no matie menyi ni say Jesus Christ by well no be cry they say sadivium ko horo ne na keke nti as you can see that day no nam no tun say ne hu mankasa so what you say menya sure say ni robu na ne hye no na yenini utun say no wodi no hu nipa I quite remember say ye invite na ifushi ase kra utun say no woko no na tade na hye no ye decent pa. So what I say, and until Mesre, Minianuma Christopher, and the young girls and the young boys, and the woman or more bums say, Obi because oh be a first and I'm Christo Muna, me makeup, na me ways to say me beauty is not about makeup, and you makeup a semkura, and then you use in a semkura, and how you put things together. You move a bray to coin, you crumuno. Ya wo yenta dia yeshe ahanu obi buy bi kro benyu obi aba na pama dia ma no ya na is difficult, but when you go to the store you buy decency clothes, they have it. Obi timi kan ene be ba ma dream di ntia ma hwe cha medete am o hia o ba bi o ye broni o ko jogging wa hye ne pants wa hye ne che and or the glasses ebutu neni and wash the chair and wash the trousers, right? ene bia oye madam oye mother or ne stroller or pia. As a Christian, me pants. Onyame asemutia for me to not wear one men's wear. Ewo Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5. Matsiasi. Ma shematadie. Ebi atade na ye black. Me skirt shebe me make sure say emu no expand emu ye loose. E chena na lady ni she na wo de nam ho na wo ni che ye kama pa wo. Ma che bi say me de me glasses asimeni. My shirt me sport yatade ya na most of the time ya ne mu spande emu ye loose. Me sneakers shemi me joge ebia me stroller me ba ewo mu ebia me de ade ye de san ye komu ya me ba shemu sa decent. The difference a woman is nipa ne shirt trousers and yours is skirt. Ena ye skirt na your skirt aba now e de die ho. Because you koto nye bibia na nya metia me skirt e da me ho but hwe me the way aguso say be ya me hu me shape nti aso Kristo ni no me sa de na e wo se me di bibi guso we ne ye loose ayesa batakari ayi ene guso nti enya de a wo be hu me shape because me de ade aguso ena me de nam but me nya loose no bi so a yes I will put it on. Inti made my shatadiano, my shamatadia made the belt a boom. It matches with my chair shami, a black. Me check and Natadiana dame. A what is he from? But a yimi shape. Until was a media dear, a guso. Said the bear, minko two be sintidia. The difference between Brunina washer pants are all corner nemeno. Dear Nama or no, Obibe who couldn't be Hunaka away or attractive pa. Would your own look attractive? Oh, judge our home. Difference in him. But for us to put things together, we don't know. Obia chiponi. And odeko. Meeting me jane natural. Ebi away gene me shabi. Me person me look like Brunino. Why this? What I this a ponytail. Me nya Bruni. And I mean to me go chimiti. And I me Christos to mama kwan say. Me shall wake. Had a my shirt made a scarf abomiti. Me and Casamitino. My hugrum kama. Na me the men say abo. Nice. Na me the scarf a chichilimiti. And a match children were chili. In the chia out to send ye my pony. In the channel shesso. I'm good to go. As a matter of fact, Nipana who feels and the show how creative you are. The way you create things. What to me anya dreamy me bo me duku. Ma chichere abo me chiwo. How a measure chena ebe fatame. Eni ma bo duku no. Me di chichere me chiwo me di meche na sheso. Na me share glasses na afatame. Beautiful. But most of us, we don't know how to do all these things. And in tia manipa bi tene chire kasa wo be ye Kristoni anu aya tete kwa. Me nyi leader. So obi be ye Kristoni anu aya tete kwa. And in ti mema ni bia take his advantage no. Now no omo feel say omo yire no nkra ho nya kono. No. Omo ho ya kono is because some of them did not know how to put things together. We learn from each other, but who is going to teach us properly? Okay? And no na ye nyaye. Must switch it from Wiasia Christo. What can I do to still look decent? Me will obi my so a fian kamakonya me kabani may be a share. And dear Crana Maye, because of your me tower coach, Tintini be dear to for American for no eshem. Or moya also no shot at you, coat no shot in tinty form. And tis a tabin dummy hono, me coat to name be gusuno. And the money decent. My bo me the bottom number. Go to no si form at I didn't shimmy inside and damn me home, but go to not catastrophe. Decent, me pab wash me. Essay a chen shami and I do kuna mediaba. Fe kama. So what you say? By you movie, Ushiana, Yana to be a mobo. And we are doing this. Ye sink of Ubicon, Ubitimika, Mamma to our woman Christus my effect. And Maya who sees him. Ubisu to me who be a say, Didn't get you see I am there. Now, so no say no more say and say the idea. So what you see, you can be creative, put things together and make it look decent. Okay? Oh, and man say me for ya kese mean to me shit. In your one with like me tia me for ya kese. But the way you put things together won't even bring your belly out. But most of us we don't. You're young, you're youth. Some of them will be on my own as a fit. And they call themselves Christians. Okay? Now, and I'm saying that you might be brave about it. And you probably brave no more could tell you no more woman ni say and to a share office I will cry with the Phoebe cry. Enter so what you say as a young lady. Ah, it will be a woman the Becca said, well, who bear 10. And go yes, sir. Your makeup doesn't mean say you need your home. Guess any be all ma. No son and say nipa be muade. Oko can be cratch and be do what them. And can yes, I guess any be or some bomb pum na me children dear. But now no, as a woman no, this time no say the woman generally woman near Matitiano. Who could boan a crown? Why you should obey you? But what nature now she said the wire and what to say. Won't send your moon kakra. But they don't listen. What do you say? Who tries so you put the things together decent? Nan or more ammo a deal for me, but what I say. But say, ya near your also, and to me put two things decent and yet come nice to our husbands. Nice to say a approach will be doing a mere samana on you say a bobo adam no. Ya nyiri ho anye sa ne ma na yesi e bejeja ye ho agum because of me Christo ni me ye fasting manu nyina wo manu nyina ye proprowa na nsan me call 21 days nso ma metena mo wan hu wo manim kura se ma ye fasting me call 21 days but wan hu manim kura se ma ye fasting nso na ma ye because of the way I carry myself you won't even see it, you won't even know what is going on. So what you say? Ubu lip gloss keke crowd de be fan no and also I asem. Ubu no aye propra duku na ye say yambono duku ne se ne wasi a wabono ne de wasi ye jeja na ho. Young lady won married that. Now you were doing this. Now ukoko wane na wo mienu ne miensa. How are you going to carry yourself? Say na ukunu besi afa hu. Eh me peso for here. E kire na ukotena no sofo no poppet na chi no enye eye big chain and they say akufu ado yiri o. Mama control. Because as I see so, yet me to a mama be so mayor president. No, what in who jina baby me who say or ye first lady. Every software year you are a first lady. And tis a what to puppet and nechi sophonechia. All eyes is on you. If you don't know how to put things together, you will be in trouble. So what I say. So who couldn't uncle ye be crantia because of unyamisrontia? People won't just value you. Okay, enkoye. If we carry the Spirit of God, our appearance is supposed to be also decent. Me ye Christian doesn't mean say me nyeja me propra and my fasting na wuvu. He de many my na nu nyina why. I mean ojiro ho antiase na tade no duku no de wa bono say de baby e da. People won't take you serious. So what I say? Because you don't know who is watching you. We have stars watching us, mega millionaires, they watch us. But maybe now you won't see it. They watch us. So you are presenting the word of God and look at you. Why your own poster to a bit in chakra same secret to some here. But you were sick of almost work a year Christopher and when are we going to just let ourselves until most of us ye ko Christo mani ye kunum bi kura ye hwehwe mo na ne me yiri okunje nti wo bebe fi wo nse wo kasa no kura why you fasting nkadware sra wotim ye bibia kama wo nse bi kura wanum kura wo ne de kasa ne bon de wa ye wo ho a wajeja wo ho gum ni nyina ne se wo ye Christo ni wo be wo chese enkoyi sa me pacho what you say it doesn't work that way. Me they be American for say the papa, I will use the hands and slap them with it. When I go to the store, I will put the things together. At the end, they say, Said you must say near manintino. Sadia Bakupen will be better. Oh, no, was out on near my baby, no, answer. Just to be able to put it on decent. Me better what I say. And yes, I am to me dress it on a format. And a young dresses on a format so doesn't mean say ye canipa. What I say, dear me, yes, so ye be your appearance and could two be in tibia. Emma will be Cassette, saying, assuming I'm a party, I mean, soon be, and then on my own. What I say, no will be the piano, just will be shaway Gansana. If you call the picture to one, will be oh, yeah, you look nice. Esse, man, shaway there. But I can put the scarf on, Metima Bomiduku. At the same time, Mumia, me no be what would you have to try to make a difference? So what I say, and intimacy, me no be dim como be. Me no e ba be deep and como. Bebre ewa ha sei ekwan a ene Christopher ewo sei e fa so esiesie ye ho na ehye Christo animonyam yen timi dress se ananafo because the Bible naka ekwan a ode obi a odress se nanani ekwan ode ne be fa so bi o Bible no ko Zephaniah chapter 1 verse number 8 Zephaniah chapter 1 verse number 8 osena erade kum afode dan Metri and Mapoma, ni ahinema, ni wana washe ananafo ntade nyina aso. Oti ase, onyame woni wa se e de di etire no Yesu Kristo oba, ose de mame san kan bi. Ose na Awurade kuma fode da, na kyese da bi wo onyame wasiesie, odi bi kum nipa bodefo. Ose onyankopon kuma fode da, obetwe ahinema, e mapomba any one now was shut on the front tadie, or do because of so was shut on the front tadie, on tadie German for Tamintino, or bet so aka, Sanko for you, no cool. So what I say, dear Maya, Emma Minko Shan on the front tadie, I was some me dress and on the front opposite. I was a difference be a bem. I was some me dressing a very decent. Bibi no more yen a mimi ya, Saturday day on a yesha. Me ma dia me di be gusu no e ma me luku se e de se odwamanfo me pacho what ya say me yesa it will help me me na ade na o ma hye no what de ahye na hwene nyina go and always when you buy things like that you have to go upper size so me medium na me to ade e da me ho me di ade be gusu de but still e da me ho I have to go 2 size up. Say a medium, meko extra large because at the end of me, meko extra large na ni mwetu mi lusu kakrama me. Eno sano, wahini yunko bubum, eno wanda we end roam. At the same time, masandi abiye guso. So what I say? Enti sa me nama, dia eguso ninti amana ye you. You don't see anything. Maybe bien too sintibia. Na wonyankopon abetweme ene ahenema, ene wona wo hye na ode makana na fo. So what I say, and at the same time, I will look decent. Hey, Christo ni bashacha, yes. Ye kata yitriso. We have to cover our head. Be Bible look at 1 Corinthians. Na mi chira baby I was say a Christo for a kata yitriso. 1 Corinthians chapter 6. No, chapter 1 Corinthians 11:6. Kohone yanko hadi. 1 Corinthians 11:6. Or say, Nese oba ankata nitrisoa mano emmo tikwa. And so, Nese eye oba eniwu se ochicha nitri so anase oyi enye na onkata nitri so. Okay, my mister enka e say 3 na be a free one mo kono obetiase 11 verse 3 last obi ebusame o se emma estirasem no o se emma asori mu abrabo o se na me pese me hunu se oberema biara etiri ni me pese mu hunu se oberema biara etiri ni Kristo na oba tiri ni oberema na Kristo etiri ni onyankopon oberema biara orebo mpaye anase orisha nkom na wakata nitiri so no oni nitiri eni na oba biara orebo mpaye anase orisha nkom na wakata nitiri so na nitiri so da ho no oni nitiri eni me pata what you say. The reason why I kata yitri so no eno no onyankopon se me etia preach me yi mitri ho onyame mpene sa me hye nkom me yi mitri ho onyame ompene sa oti ase wo se me kata mitri ho ena obi beka se na mane no to wo se de bia ye kata yitri so no on ka se de bia ye kata yitri so wa my options but me hye bible no onyankopon sa se ye mo mpa ye da ye mre ho oti ase e de ma me kata mitri so a de bia obehu na makata mitri so no o se mo mpa ye da o mre ho e bia me pia bonten na obi afre me o ma me amchoa situation bi se na me kum me so bo me mpa ibum se dia ye de e bia ho a o se me bom mpa ye o se me kata mitri so se me kata mitri so a o se scarf e hye me bag ni o se me fa me scarf e hye me bag ni said the bear baby about to me, I was a bomb pie, me scarf and I'm the attention me come, not famous chassis a bomb pie. So what you see, the entire was said, was sister 1 year or money tikwa, and yet the man you just know. Our ya no chicha ni so na ko down was your tikwa, and your quality assembly walking, sakola assembly walking. Was sister the yo ferry so be boss sakola and yet catauti so. Nti sa mame no to me pese me betena na me yi mitiri ho na me di preach dia wo se me bossa cola na sa me hwe na miti ya ba mu me ni be bossa cola na be ye me niwu dia and I have to cover my hair so what you say dia ma wonya me kasa no no e na so obere ma biara wakohia bere ma na ogina puppet o preach na o hyeche e kire se oni ni tiri ni e kire se wakata Jesus Christ so what you say nti bere me bom pa ya wo hyecha e wo so tuto na obom pa di nti e ma ye kata yitiri so as a Christopher no na ye kata yitiri so no so doesn't mean say ye pega duku na na dia bobo anyhow utimu dia wa pega duku no bebi odi abo utimu se nkoye e na nse bi no mo be ye no si nanim ti so obi a wo kwa anajo ha utimu se enkoye so what you say anajo ha o ma o mo ko e de say the hunters no omo na wo ko nwure ma no de anajo ha kan ya bo ne mo maso na opega esa fe ya maduku na da ne anajo ha ne betua ne mo maso se poti so what you say I mean let it look nice obi wo obi so wa body ba se de wo se aboduku no kra atimu se obi kran enye obi akono so obi bobi so what you say when you na eka ho we have to make it look very decent me check dia na meye eche dia na meye ubu ho no ma ye yiti hu natural no most of the problem back so ameku e wo ma ni bi ho ni ti ni ye natural oboduku no ubu nse ni nkurumi ye wona ti kwa sei na abobon ncherewa na wona ti kwa na duku no emfama ha nyina o e wo so ha na kire ha no nyina abobon ncherewa chese no tiri ni no free ti kwa no nyina ye ne kama pia ni ye fashion duku no decent ti obi be wo boduku no haba wo hwe ne ti kwa abo se ese nkoye ne nkurumi ne wa nyina abobon ncherewa tantan chese enya fe me pacha what you say and ye wodru me ne wo kasa because we be the wa say the guest ni be se wo man no onya kwa bi bible no to me kan quotation ba ko mienu miensa na nim na se bibi wo ne kokasa be bi odu bi gira na wo mpe nti haya na wo se me address ya de me ne wa wo mpe otie ne eja wa ekwan na wani we de we me your Facebook. So what you say? Some ladies we have to teach them. It will be about kwasoro no they putu duku on. Ba wo hwe ne tikwa ha na ha. Nkruni ne wo ha sei na. Sister, utumu se mkoye. Duku na ba bisi na so ha sei. Ene nyi ne kakra ho ba eho nyina bu bonchire wa. You fine. And you're fine. O sini trase utumu se nchire wa ni nyina ne guo. The men that you want them to marry you, no, they were watching. Oh, baby, me ware no me ko fi kura na hwe ne woni kam kura ma nitini bi wa nchire wa nchire wa bi gugu na tiko na me ware no no obekwa kwanyim no doctor beka so wanyim nta ene be yiri pa wonwe ne to ne mo wure yi se de wasi aye no utimu se bi kura ebi no hwe that mi jam wore no tintintin imu kura sa ye fi ote ase chicha mo wure ne ye ne kama clean is so decent. Unai more won some more which chane come was sick did nipa kasa wo bedwam a wo say number 1 wo say dia say wo fi atire nipa no so wo obi a wo kasa bedwam a Was say be very wise. Ma was sing decent. Teacher was sing all the time. Make sure so when and can him. So what I say? When no and can him. To born mabus wakasan to say, Bomba air bam. Sister, who could say yes to you? You know. Make a mitchell. Who be fan one in them? Who want to mean in tears and half crying and he keke. So, Mr. Catty, for by me, Jerry Miss Mam, or pay a bay, what pay Pinkua, and they say, Miss Sidnan send me call, leave I doctor. Now, very dry skin. Now, made me complain each doctor. And all mammy samples to be. Now, send me make up to be. Me refuse come the bar for my mamma. Me this time me ban home. Oh, come. A po, when you with Johnny. So what I say? What been go Emma a pe, a bien foul, wobbles and now the Wayan, a way a bay, Nico to crash and crowd to sing quiet. Come on. We be dressed on them one Nico to no crowd, dear Shanata, dear National, on the ambassador. What to say, and tell you. So we are children of God. We have to carry ourselves very decent. Yen to me you atade ehye me sha atade wase me ngro we na ne hwa ade me nya na me nti na me ntimi nresi ana na for dress nti me ntimi mfa se ya me ntimi mfa se ya me nsa ho yi se metena se me preach as a woman of God makata so ma shede at the inside makata so me di we no me di eguso nti mensa hu because mensa hu keke ebetuma tu obi sintidua ena mesa yi nipa kokko nti wo se me very careful mafa ade o suja was me di ahyaso ba obi be hyensa tia na motu mu nyina egu ho sikati ne di sifomo ba wa hyensa tia na motu mu nyina egu ho enkoye shadi gusu kama na enkata so ene wugru ade a mehye emu ye light ye will be ye light ene wo bi so a eno wo sha wugru bedo yes nti no apedi emu ye light na wo de ahye na cover won sam wa moto mu ni kwase guo but wo bi be ye wo sa na moto mu nyina guo enya fine anana for dressing na wo dressing no enkoye se skirt ni si forma e wo set atade no so enya abetire ni won na hwe na nsam begu wa fa de gu so na enye decent ni pacha what I say koso na se wo boys ni bi so enkoye boys ni bi jeans ye shani rock stars America ha wo ma minim wo so mo skinny jeans Bon Jovi do rock stars se de be ya obi gina no obo na jita no na stage make say wa daisy no gina o ti ase o mo na wo bu ne skinny jeans ne skinny jeans network si as onyankopon ba as a gospel preacher as a nyaminipa na wa skinny jeans na achichere woto na sabi previous na obem nyine fufu wani na wodi gina ho so wo preach amana fo ntade na ahye wo enkoye enne obutumi kura kopam sintu na wapam no wo ba na hem kakra bi ebete emema ni bi o ya na emema ni bi fi se man ko ni tu memma sintibia obabi wo no ma no yi dwamanfo afi no wasakra ba so re dwama enyi ntui nti obeto sa wo ye ho sa obenya akono ama chine bi akoya asama abeto so because the Bible say you oba na ne kondo no ne na dada the same as oba ono so eberema na ne kondo no one na dada. So what you say boys see be nim how to dress, they dress anyhow. Pants ne shano no say they see ati afa yire no any say they wash ne singlet bi ni bumu wi obi okwa no obi bi bottoms no ni bumu ni bi guo no mo wo de kire guess no wo de kire hwamo enkoye wo to was you see yan who to say mfata. O shirt and a shenna to brass or come tie in a more decent. What can come at the yashim, making sure the pants and shall not get tight. If we lose swab or better come. Na Christo need now the boxer shorts at it all. Why? Boy, see, be so only more or no good more. Who, in fact, who want enough crowd to move in Koye. So what you say? Now also couple banner, oh, person by dressing decent. On did who you when you say yes, now, oh, boxer shorts in the Guabonteno. Oh, children, Pacra, we. Ubesha brother in more in Koye. Ne see good and no to say in Koye. Or Casagu so out to say, yen. Now, maybe do tirabo and fata. Oh, now, Cotisika, one or bad doesn't mean that would you brew. Now, or ban move. And there was so on CC. Now, would you brew? Why the mouse are tickets to do that? Also, so carry yourself very nice. One more to hope preaching out and say the YCI who cried to Musa and Goye, who was one casa or here deliverance. So what you say? A bit more pay nadia or pursue who said, name the muscles near ye in the book. Now, once and the bono were ye in the bonnet cacra. Why now would they try one more? Or be future husband. And I wash us you, Musa, for what? So, over wash your singlet. Who especially Ghana, no one chat and one room, pay than a good con, none the boy moon you go, Pacha, what each wine. You have to also dress decent. And ya dear be too be sintidia. And fata and koye. Timosumo tries this not, Memunia loose. Come on, or more anything ye. Or since I be previous and said you will see you tea, a chimney power way. Ne Christo ni makoyi mitina boy dan chain. Christo ni makoyi etribie wiasefo yi. Enkoye. Christo ni be manas mande shamasum. Enfata Christo. So what you say? A man ye shasumade nya wo be ma. O be ma wo di asumade shasuma wo be gina ma ya bia. So what you say? Enkoye. And it's a mess saying, we have to be very careful. Ya nhwe me yes na me ye Christo ni nti ubehia no to say nkoye. Oti ase, the preaching now preaching the why na ho to say wono akrampo no. No. If you really want to talk to me and if you want me to listen to you, the way you carry yourself. Hey, mami no to ade yenko hye man fotam da bi. Dress decent. Na nhye Christo ni mo nyam na obi a wo ba wo nkyam betie wo pese wo tie bi wo ka no wo mu sa bi a e bi a wo hopeless ana sem previous wo bodam duku ne bon na yesi buduku no ma duku no nye decent mo obi hu duku no na ne kon no so obi buduku cause obi timi ba hye wig e mo obi kon do ebusan say wig no to ne he me kwa to bi dia sha e wo so timi buduku no kama na obi hu ane kon do sempa wo buduku na ma na ye fe. And yes, I will do couldn't go one will be Jana Baba. Now, Casawa, no, you know, your proper. Now, but no, be a bit you. People will just walk away. They think you're crazy. What do you say? If you're presenting the word of God, come out very decent. Because you're not talking to only Christians in the church that they will understand. Say, oh, okay, maybe I say, Obi won't or no pursuit. Now, the Moko Christo no say, no more than the enemy mao. What you say, especially a brutally. What now? No, to be a ubicra, what Christo, Obe Utimus and Koye. Obe free a brutally crack organ out to Ninja say, why a Christo nindi? But first, now when ye Christo nindi, you can mesh you go ha, wasra, what you chin and him say, now obey Christo nindi, and ye into vision, and you queer. Aye. No what you musa. It is a more mesh movie to the swing share wig and sly and can make up and to me look decent. Ntiama ye mu bi se say am for crack ye ko Ghana ye mu ya bruchire enkoyi. So see ye kan ye ma papa kruma ne wo. Dressing decent no bi hu se say obi betu metra bruchire so mawade and dressing decent. Ti mo bebe mo kwa mo Ghana o mu kura say why o say wa o fi hin ba ye. What is this that? Wow, yes, we flip from body better to chop. Nay, you nipa nti ukwa broche nti sana. Wo ye Kristo ni asana. Ye mu bebre sana tie. Wo but at the same time, he's very decent. Yes. Without makeup, no, I was so present, very decent. So Beshiano, Siket no what? Yes, that's good. At anybody, what's your way? Any the way you need to want to say, we can't once a material who wants a sister for shampoo, the conditioner. Who singing come? It's in where dear. The last sofa in a kind, or suddenly you continue, or they say, avocado, and they say, pear, what it didn't say. No, why what machine? No, they're funny to see me near petch, me near petch, and to me, you Susadia. More near deno. Use it as a conditioner. Would you be a petch? We are. Would you go with the best moon? What dry the camera? Would you go on the best moon? Now, a fino, some brush as finny. Would you peer what you couldn't? Why in the camera? Who will not be a wobble? Who must was on the pony now? The idea so decent. Come on. Tiduku na baba to say meti mabo because you need kuha mabo nti na meti e channel timi afiti meti no sa no mabo nti ama eti na ayi because me enye eti a eye de say me di ade atwe na makasa me so me pony na ayi da off flat oti ase nti mabo ma ade kama me am de me say na bo ne kama na me di ade a hyeso decent. But you will be Shiama or so a sacred you will be acquire your couldn't be because one one's a cry into where is it you see your honor. I will see you Christonina or any corner. So what I say, carry yourself nice. Nine fair. The beer mamma to me, Babbett's not on ma. No, may you be better than mamma to Wadi. It will be me to me, I carry myself. I mean, I just want you to see it. I just want you to see how I'm carrying myself. What I say, but first, jeans and nation, me to be Makotuni in Ebu. Trousers and Makotuni in Ebu. Me jeans in me body, it be $500. Me Kotuni in a 2 week, my fan check. Wig, you know, yet Tissika wig, I can see it. Me Kotuni in a 2 week. Nti my proper na me nam ho me nantini nyina papai na me nam ho manu nyina pe ya fam ya machasa nyasam kitwa me nsati nyina me na ho nyina ye dry achasa wodwene ho ante ase me titi say ya na e de say ayi ho efifiri gu enkoye ti eduru tam obekọ Ghana o me mpa tade bi hye no abodiku sister dra Yesu adumo no de ade egu ni kon na Yesu adum Christo adum hey sister na dey nti wo Christo mantina no wa ye no ho bisi basa nti wo bi hia no kura come on koyi make sure sa de na hyew no enya de bi tu bi sinti be ohun agu ho etu bi sinti dua guess yi pata ya na nse omo de aba otum say ye come me do Ghana me bi selection de aba utu say decent e shena come ibi an mpaboi e was soro kakra na ne nan him decent ne bag ikuta ne kama uti asie na soma de hye no ne chain bi da ne komu ne ring hye no say bibi no de beto ne sa ne watch bibi akama wa ye ne kama obi be kan ne anya na che yes asoma de nya ho na me kompacho ne ring ne hye no they say look 5 look simple maybe 1522 prodigal son yes in ring Abraham Emma Erieza akopeyire e dia brand ba osesa jewelry ni nkapo nyina kan nti me sam doctrine no me menti ase e na nya boni nyina heaven ni yeko nti say it's simple e bi kwa ko deeper life mo nsha asomade but dress decent asomade nsha wo no nkyere se wo ho fe na yera oti ase ti se de wo carry yourself for Christo so mu bia no bring it out very decent nti se me ye Christo ni me hye masomade me hye me ringi no masomade hye me kama ma de ne da me sa decent mata de hye me beautiful enyi me hongu abonten empepe me tomu abonten ma me obi tumi draw me hye pants hye me tumi draw obi tumi kenkan ma hwene egu masene because of atade hye me no tisa. What dressing decent? And then you was sneakers. The friend the Kambui. You was sneakers Nibia. And you need to Mirka. You were dressing one so. If you are my shamata, if you are jeans at the crown and shame you is the form my shame sneakers. Ah, Miss Sneakers, see, come up. Your friend the Kambui. A shame very decent. And me jeans at you. And the shame fe. My shame chi come up. Some glasses and I'm the best. Oh, glasses, you also brassy. And when see many say, Otia say, decent, very beautiful. Nicolo ne woman and say, to sham cry your chronicles, ye, from me catching you as a form. I didn't know be a show wig good now, when me to say no difference in it to say. It is saying. And 50 me, me to papa menim ono so and choma wode aye na nim ntim 50 na say no way. Me so me de handkerchief ni chi manim nyina e papa manim 50 kama. Ono so nchoma e wona nim nti 50 ni ba je so yete. O te ase ne hu bi yira no. En 50 tse no na ta de fita na hye na etimi sai atade ni. Now shirt white, you have to be careful. Yes, I will be on the red lipstick and in the hina, now for what I do. So what I say, but we don't carry ourselves very good. In Koye, and ma ebinum, every Christus, they think it's a Christus, they label us as a Obama, or so we are to qua. No bibia obo no ye da be ba Kristo mu na mekunu kura ukunu nkuta gidi aniwa e na se de wasi aye ho no ubi wa no kura kasa wonu mu kan ba no ma ho ye nahi oti ase ho ye nahi se de wasi ye ho no e ma ho ye nahi because de oti ase wonya nti ase bi e na won kari wo safu ye so oti ase nti misre mi nua no e na guess na mo ba no amusumu ye gospel preachers Christopher musumu say no mu ye the way mu carry mu self nye enkoye what's your which pa because what kasape what kind of lifestyle is this? Why not you see understand? And you will shout there some granny. What's your bruchiri and near man tadia boo? Take your time and go to the store. They bring skirts and do that. Someone never ban your shopping. Satan no more than tadia you a be loose and no Satan no more deba. Then you shop and put it down. But guess he just I want to want to see. One or present Christ and your child will be mere Christo. But the way you put somebody off. And so what I say? What's the old you would do? Wig. Sister now poke to the wig and not watching what would do could be sound. Or she said you was your boat to Kuno and you're not corner. And you're not corner. And and made no be who guess and I did why you because we will say I want you come a bedroom review babel. What I say? Who ba wouldn't call our count and you may be sister. Na see you wouldn't want to go with the wire honey. Now, what would you cut nephew? Now, Coco, whom you knew me and son. And you want to be home, you. What I say? Carry yourself decent and present the word of God nice. No will be what teaching and when who say or back Christo ma and your master. No. Me as a mother. Yana me what are they doing? But when you say it, they will preach to people and tell them to change. But they themselves, when you talk to them, you have a case. So no the transit command will be so own but baby and you're trying to tell them no. Present your nice as a young lady, as a young man. Present yourself very nice, because the Bible now can in your small sir. Jesus Christ nikuta asano. So what you say? We are your businesses. Obi wo your business. Now you say one konko kasanchem kofu as a businessman. The way they put their suit on, so your bar, the way they carry themselves to be able to go and gathering, so you can business who simple. Or can business company the way they present themselves before they come to people, no, because we show who. Only just to be clear, remove Kruman, my hair, in few cry. Stop you, they look at you from head to down. No one who said, why we be wouldn't know. So what you say? Business if one no, yes, ne. Ye ko akoka company we omo the business be say by akoka ho asem ye nipa ba ko so wonko the way nipa no be sia carry himself o de be ko gire ni mu de ko kasa kire nipa na nya komo eno nko ne mema ni suit kura wo mo hye na ye ko present onyankopon asem am nipa akse ne say Yesu Kristo eba na ye ko kasa kire nipa no na ye who prostate say homeless. Come on. It's time for us to carry ourselves very good. We are Christians doesn't mean say no. We are Christians doesn't mean say we should carry ourselves very nice, decent. The enkutu will be interior. So what you say? And yes, we are sifui. See, Namia Mamma, or more than Baba water boys you. Obe camouflage no hoka crebi so we are Christian. Why you need an appearance into a becas or fan or changing? And none of my suffer will be better wrong meeting. Because more cancer more a Christopher, they were more young home, and you were more corner. What you say? More can you some way a Christopher Memano, the more young home, Yakono. In Yakono, it counts big. What you say? A count to pa. Miri Christo ninti, or by Uncle High. Ebi a ye be crab by fear, and I be biaba. Miri Christo ninti, no I prosay. Said you seen a number one way and west or yabi be, bojo, as will be our yabi be. Ni Christ as soon count, no I am west wouldn't tiantaso, boko, botte, ni big bias, a sakatule, and quiet. And you, to be slipping me pamochao. Say we are se full echo presenti bibi we say. Now we try so be look presentable. Then if we are coming to present the word of God, we also have to present ourselves very beautiful, very decent, nice. Ye makeup and then you look nice. We don't need wig before we look nice. We have to come out very decent. So what I say? Last somebody told me, they say, oh, Miss Jill, I think you have to be a personal shopper. Because you know how to put things together. And I'm saying, no. Personal shopper, make or yet pet. Sister, you buy a becas or pesket, you so more becas and make a processing, make me, and I won't do it. Some of our Christians, a bit more learn from others. Learn something. Oh, next ni pass me no. Hey, some previous I did could I find free muremubana grumuna no yefe. I did. Uko funny free murem no grumuna no yefe. Boys, you who deal on a budget set, the why ye know me your summer, no I yes I be bra, could get to Gukra. Adiani. No way you obi to office presenting we say I am who come o present Christ and the actually we say no way who prosa. wa me papa no wo tie no me wa da ba mu nso wudina no puppet so wa ye prosa me wa na utum so mo pam na niam na ko mo ni ate say they make sure to say obi pie so ne yere so make sure say the man look decent no obi present asam na abrofo etumi a pay attention etie no yem pay who doesn't mean say we see him bru no. First, you know when you're Christian, you would Ghana, would be a sister, and then the way Christian in decency. No one who say, hey, Nessa would done it with 3 years ago, Nasa Christo must still out and also, when we are fair. When should you first night, they say 97, no call Ghana, and no, who you just say, and Pablo just would say, Komok. What you say, and then they Christo Abba, and the name be assassin, and I will go back to Ghana, my Christian intuition, and be able to come from. Nenimina profane yeah sister Kriaba ayo Christ has some dream come and pacha mo ho to say there will be pedant teacher and so from sister Kriya na dia are o yare na ni kunu bi ha no wa bruchiro and na ni me bi nkoyi ni nyina na say my Christian no agiro eni no mo fa mo ho ma Christo nti ge na wo ka chen so mo fa no ho ma Christo no hwe dia wa ye wo hu ya no was na me be fa me ho ma Christo ma ye me hu say dia I won't do it. Or show to say so will be a some previous. As a dream, as a dream be a torso, as a what ye be a year, as a simbi down so I mean say, one chese. What I say? Incoye. Sriminiano. And Pempenso ye do no. We are not joking. We are not joking. Yes, Miss Bekana me here, Juma. Your budget will be and they koye meeting wa branch we have yin na kushia. Nipana wa ba ne babekasa. O sheti you see jina. Because they were coming to sell something. Until they were here and also at the count. They call people to dress them before they go to meetings like that. And we are here to present the word of God to the world. And ye who prosa and the tea team so near your phone quantity a sick of 40 you. Couldn't win young 40. What do you say? And to the ye won't just another no Nisic and no bow no so need whom you man to no one your processor. No. Last lawyer be Ghana or your big pa. Or send a message or some I saw your video somewhere. I was shocked. The place that I see that video, no, I'm not sure. The work you're doing is going foul, but you don't know. And I'm saying, I was yes. The place that I see that video, I was shocked myself because when I'm saying that video, be very rich in that place, Padia. Maybe a mimi na medebeko, but I never na medeko. And I saw that video there. And I'm saying, no, see, yes, people are listening to you. I was shocked. Now, feel my better say. To say, they say, happy birthday, Nana, Mampo Hima. Who me pa? Nana, happy birthday. Or did the birthday, said 2-3 days ago, was last week. Now me baby catch Nana Hima say for Huma Christo. Now for my mobiles, my munina papaya just say, and question me yare. They won't listen. Miss Semiano. Yeah, they are presenting a mere some little chair. You need you couldn't tell our neighborhood. And the nipa baby who Christo Sombe and a corner. Your bottle and nebra. Now you carry yourself so very nice, very decent. What you say? Maybe be I come. Yes, I'm going. And you, a mama for limit. They were bringing us down because of that. Now, some of the young ladies, they don't want to come to Christ because of the way they see us dressing. And no one fa. But you better your boss to put things together and present ourselves very decent. So what you say? They will come. We can also need to be yet. At the same time, they will look decent. But when you wash out, not wash will be in the rig and not what in Koye. You move pray first ye in Christo. You call Ghana Jai. He say you call Ghana, you did Jai home to be Christian. Most of him, I feel cry am a yakonompo. In Yakono, in Koye, ocean the more. Now she said 7 previous and the 19 be papa. And the white yen one. I would it you in Cheye and the white in it will be. Or but the queen cruming and the tiqua. Play more tea, what was why prosa or Casubi who cried to say, Pampa fin and Mubamin yet. Who cocas and nippons on fire, yes, you are one 7 previous and come through her bay. Only time or debit you. You will be a son. I will say, Samba Christo. We have to change from the worldly things and come back to Christianity. But at the same time, when we come back to Christianity, we have to look decent. Yeah, I will see you look decent. I will say, you nice. Yes, what super wax in the family. Government to Holland the papa in the family so nkoye. Yeah. So what you say? Nkoye. Ne kasa nyo kasa na kasa boko na chese won kunku timu. Christ asomdwe nka so. Yesu adom. Ese de ewi asen se de ekọ na wi ye o. Timi de monhwe mo huye. Yesu se wo ba. Ti monhwe mo huye pa. Amfa mo ho ma Kristo. So Kristo, Kristo wo ba. O yese nyina na no ha nyina dry. No lip gloss. Nipa waka na o he na mo ra tum se nkoye. O he ne mo re na yesi for money ese pa for her. Atade ehye no se de wasi a wabi jaja no ho bi agumu no ese de bia wo hu na ese waye akonche 40 days 40 nights se de wasi a waye ye no enkoye mo timi papa ko si mo ya mo hwe ne yire wa ba tv no so ko obe no adua me no o benwo aduane ya ade tuntum se wiu pa fe what tv no so no mo ye program ya hwese de wo si a wo ni duku na tade ehye no ne buku ikuta no decent what's not crossing the light na obisa questions fe say obi tietie no na so for you ni oh nice we dey so for you Tiboless. Say Tibo. Onya active will be BM. But Tibo bo. No this you not suffer you into do or else. No one. What's off my what's off my what's off my when I'm saying yes, you took this from the betching or some of my no, so most of them they were laughing at us. Serious, me nada. Tine, people saying in a say, yes, Christo would now go who didn't me. Who didn't me? Yes, dear. Process, no, this you. obi ne numa utumu se enkoye the shirt shani bra utumu se nye shirt ya shani ya wono no so odi preach no enye mami no to na ni sika yenko no si to so clean no nye kama ade no se ye ba kokura se ni obesi a wo be fa di ni no ehia o wo si wo chichi ne kama wo ma we wo bubusu kama wo yi uti a wo yi ne decent abodise na wo clean abodise ne kama wo hwe na wo ntimi maintain abodise na yi ni nyina togu yi wo nsu die da bi yetumi abob wiase yetuma ye bibia ma wiase ye ba Kristo mu dia na ya gigi adam bema no ware no onye srobofo oba no onye srobofo bra de wa ye ho nti ye ho ye ena kosto aye wade a ye di twitwi ye 19 wo de wo nko pedicure emma wo bi fa de kora nkotwitwa wo 9 enkoye wo yi a ye wade bi a wo shawa mu wo twitwi wo 19 no ba bi e ho papa no wa pankun bi e de asra ho kama na ye decent we de no wo jai 19 na papa asa ye dry etete socks so what you say into you to na ni no hwe 19 na putting it off mami no tro na da bi no ni wan kasa wonya hui oba ni jeja ni huguma na yeka be ma ni jeja ni huguma na de ye nka ho ba wo hwe wo nua no Christopher isu so ebi no ba TV so ya wo ba to say yes shirt ne hye no ato say decent ebi asifo ya omo ya yi MCM sifo yi wo ko yes ne cha ni nti ni di obefa obesi a obeye ne na ho ni nyina no so wo de hye cha no akogina ho aye MC ewa yi ase ewo so look decent Kristo ni o slippers na hye ne nan na mentini na odi gina ho no ukuta Bible na obi ba o so pedanity o he nto wo so sa ne gu fo clean it very decent nkoye yes yenye ni ye bo say ne ho fufu deodorant cry de fire moto mo boys bi o fa no last na me ni mikuru kasa na o mo say se footballers na o mo abrochire no o mo ba Ghana na o mo koshia no mo ne boys na ebo a ya na o mo tetete o mo ho dodo e na ye busa hwa e na obi nya adaje na wo kire mu say ye nyina ye firi ho na ye koy but when you come home na bia ye de makogina park so mo bobo the boys ni bi obi o kasa gu sokora nye obi ha na moto mu say bon se de ne ho se o mu kari tu se bon eni nti na ya na ema footballers no mo no wa abrochire no e bagan Africa na o mu nua no mo no obi ho na wo no ofra buchi ba wo kire ne ho dodo o mo se boys ni bi e ho nka no nti na ya na mo twetwe wo mo ho no what you say they say this to omu nyina ko gina park so omu bo o so kan no kra wo mpesa nti omu ye omu so omu bobo wa bruchi ni kira wo mo ba omu so kire say the boys no nkapa wo nipa no ho boys ni bi ni omu nyina o se nkapa wo nipa boy no ho na ono no didi bi ka bepem na omu so hu se wa ba na we tatao that's how they do last team bi wa hanoma na omu frɛ me kunu sɛ ya wo mebobi na me busa me kunu ono se menko obi ehun sɛ we professional player o pese obe show the skills wo wanim ti wo wa fa ball no odi mirika fun na o pese obi twawa na obi ye bi obi kyese obi show the skills nti menko saa na omu susu efie omu sɛ boys ni abrucha ba na omu ye yi a otu sɛ Bray all you to was play the home, not woman bibia. If you want to the kind of crime for 15 or no, who to send the home can you good. Boy, yeah, or no park you see. Eddie the cap so pin brother, he knew who say yes or no so ya dear. But the home campaign said you are be generally new and go ye. They said this. Oh, kind. Come chill. Oh, kind, my mate say, it was some on so chilling. So what you say? In Koye, to one more bias, and what yes, what who the one young or cocoa by young into Onka, into what you chill hookaka. One will be Cassandra and Noon, some 7 previous and come my anetizen. Or be better on the home, who tools and whom born. Yanet, known to me, Yanet to say. In Koye, you to Didurant, who you are more to would come. Would be for a more to decent. What you say? Why your shirt you come? Spray a crabin or what? Would the craft for our switchy come? So for Christ, as some drink can so. What will be more bumpire man to so bumpire? Won't you me near Papachi? Or did a dumb no preaching? Them say, I, Nana. They say, or say, Abra, Yan saying, any. Or did a dumb air preaching? I'm say, can I say who better was it Abra? White, if you are white nation. Mrs. Nana, same photo was it Abra. Because we will present you in a mere summer. This was so you know, found in the power back on some natural. Now, if you will ban over for Otako, or baby here, so for man and Sasua, the same pampina, air bay. So for being a noir, and so from Pacham Pesame come as some so for being a noir pampine air bay, a bed I could ye. Obviously, it's Rassi. Obviously, they try the S. Odons I can't carry. Debbie, she wants to get rid of you when you know a bed or double. Into gospel presenters, we have to present ourselves nice. So what you say? You present yourself nice. No will be a warrior, and will join the rig and the near man and the near mafuna buona. They say at the what you trying to be half current and one bow who say a hot dear when you come, you change. So you change to become like a crutching. Decent. So what you see? We have to do that. Now my better knowledge in a puppet. Who preach? No why jija why and by Bible say my pay home. My no I your whole style. It's just say me so me ba me may say the why na. And when you me boy sikafo no boy hiafo. You were Christopher sikafo. You will be sure almost so a here. If you hear for no come to Christo so myself. Natalia Bako, then Toma Bako, what to so come up, Nifran. It was Sunday now, woman, and out to us wouldn't be, but Sunday was see Fran and Toma, and then the Duku, and this is why this effect. And so, food to fried rice, and no. Young girl, pa, was so free, we are so in shut at the same way, when you slay queen deep. Into no jam home. Whatever was I just a food to fried rice, it's a wow. Now, we see a poor young William Ponin and your what? Hey, and you're not some about. Groom yourself nice. Who 3 million crooning go on a dukunin in Kataswa. We are course a nature one in other including. Clean it. Clean it nice. Maybe behind the Danaquim. I'm not trying to put in Chammy. And so men cockcrassy will be momentum. They say, Mrs. Tulokra. Is it any power didn't say to me 3 months or near papa? To me, maybe I'm a bo. Me bonnet come on. No much cherry. By yes, sir. Or Tom the Kuna Bakuya and Abakuya. No, I better say, will be preachy. Why a proper. Now, I'm moving in our pie. In Koye, lip gloss or say a haram. On Febinka, no, and my dryness no ain't in through. And would this you all team in the you could be good anyway. Ah, the entire Nippon be eco titi, guess ya, or Mugu and Yisuya, Yan Wire Homa or Mutiti or Munina. Be so no, you see, my own effect into a car. Need 2x4 makeup an hour, and no, they were inspired by it. No motion. And I see, and yes glasses kura o she sa on le catcher wo ababawa ti abrochire Kristo ni be decent wo hia na beka so flefum na ema abrantie ti abrochire wo so Kristo nka carry yourself nice can buy a shetty krum ha wonya bi to e bi cheap chese e tru bi o mo no my sense wakeka shetty and the see anim decent we so di obedru on beka se o fira djuma buy kra wan change no odi si wo get it to be to me hwe bi wo social media me say eh na ha kra wo so camera si usu nie na ni wo pie obi ani ho no ya na se na aye ho sa na ya na wo ye ho Dio Unyami wa padi efo Muni mo Tina Bible mo to me describe will be the past me see na ne ho effect no to say o to me could describe na ne need to say na what to say o to me describe so what you say Abigail say no she's very beautiful woman Rebecca she was very beautiful. A reason so standing caponi ni man command cry or this is who are going to say yes. Now that didn't you wish any waste or dear or out to say waste or dear shut at the no I would just say you see what to say perfect. Beautiful. Nice. Decent. When today they wouldn't do that. Eh haram o je jad ho gum sa afebo so to the near see eh yes almost so na omo bi so na ya no me pesofo hwe na wo puppet na chi na wo kotena na nipa don e ba na wo kunu amamfo bi age na to mu a emu abrofo e ba beti na ni mo sam na ne yira ye prosa sister back off back off. So for my men say nkoye. Now obede youth na kasa. Munni muhuni. Obede teach youth. How can you address the youth? Wabra wo bi ben wa just wo so no hene. Obede youth na ka. Adwuma no wo ba mu munyi na mo be ye adwuma no. And the do na pass off but the qualities yeah, because we'll be one minister and you we are sim hadio. Now will be a unyankopon appointee, will be unyamia ashanda no appointed. Now they say sisagum shugum. Now they couldn't a chisa. Eh, so wabri we are sifu ikra. Yenisa. Me carry deeper life for a and they say, Kumi my or by Daniel and Adamfo. That may be an or say, Miss Child, if I get married, I'll send my wife to you so that you can teach her how to dress. Or could deeper life. Or say when I get married, I'll send my wife to you so that you can teach her how to dress. Nyama suma dia shaminti no workers how there be. O ye no to nchen o hu se ma dress decent e fata Kristo. So what you say? By you be entesa. Tiama e pamuni panibi. They cannot come to Christianity. They think it says ba me badia say Kristo sum no ba ma ese e wo so ya tete kwadodo. Enti me bemu kura wa hwe ma ware begu ko se ne mekunu esitie wa hwe ya me bemu ma ware begu look at this lady Meghan Markle they say Megxit say jada wo ni kunu chema ya je o title look at the lady the way she what a prince she's princess. Upia ne seketation da be no so wahye de tetale ho bi a draw ye shape yi eto nyina pia bonte yi pants shape aba bonte. Look at Kate ni nyina ne say wi ase ahenie omo nam se de be ya nipa be hu se wo mo no ya abrempon omo te se na ye nkoyi itubia mi hu sa ya na me hwa de me de mani hwa wotimu se oti ase nkoyi enye carry yourself nice. Be decent. Say the way I would to me, I present to Namia Samdia Mobi. And you see about Christos, my bubuduku, ye boduku, decent duku. Ye katayi triso, and ye beautiful. And you so Christos, maybe say glasses around to Bible, mini baby or something, and you share glasses. Put it on. Me say we any pie kese ma mfanti me nko me glasses ne darkness ni deep e we any pie kese sa ma nhye glasses a anwe me de bebo obi kam and as a light it is me so you see me tie light is me so I'm managing team me e to bia na ma sha clear one no ya na me de block wade nyeme ni na ya me ya because I hate two eyes, so I am in pensa. What do you want to say? Tiama say, Christos, my youngest, and who at a bomb. Minya Marie ye, na me beko Christo Muna, no me be me who say, and one pone be humia, or Becca said, Nazi me be jam me who gumuna, me matadia babe platform my prosa. Africa lip gloss or crabbing to me for being come on, and I me you send me chin me duku setting way. And no, it's not like that. You won't be brilliant pamongo. We don't want them to come. You won't be brilliant pamongo for siabonte. You pom, mamma no try me back Christo, me you be na me we as na me per wig pa. Say me son of Taylor, na my shamiche. But now, no, you guys say we don't wear it. Okay, I'll teach you how to do things. You're going to wear the scarf. I'll teach you. Do it this way. You bring it here. You wrap it around. Then you put your hat on. You see, it's decent. You see, this one look perfect. Yes, you move more and you do go. Then we teach them like this. Tia fe wonu apio say listen you be Christo. I feel cry would dress it won say who you cover that who cry fe more. Who so who dress na or cover yourself. Ya na fe cry more. But say a shorter cause I did that no twu move kakra. Now so you no just get in kakra. E yes man who cry nton. De bia say who no okay. Okay. It's in you be in setting ye tuntum, and I'm a fat duku tuntum. Na me de abbo, me di me duku na bosse. I'm said that was me discipline wa. Me shada chra dear pa. Ma boduku no wase. I'm dear fam hoa or mechi. Instead of some de baye and a joha canian, me de beko mechi. Me fanyana joha. E si wenim potino. Me anytime. But shim ni say ya wo metiko. And I'm a bonus it's a ponytail right there. E you do kuni. Hwi nshem. E you do kuna no mara ponisa. Na me de me che na hyeso. And one nice. Me pesa me ya combination di. Na me de belt. The same belt as meche. Because my shisha black. E you too much black. I bear and yes and me kwa ye. Nti sadia me put a little bit accent of me belt and this one it matches. And I'm doing jewelry account. Na me de my dear guso. I'm good to go. Me nyama me mpabwa social everywhere I will go. Too much. Whoa, obe preacher. Otum se nenim cry your mobo. Ese because I was saying Shaba when I was saying people feeling encouraged through your face. And the crowd present and I was so it is will be torn dear one one. Now be you when him say mobile say will be back Christ man who am mobileless. No, we have to be joy. In you, the joy have to manifest itself. Like I said, Miss Mako 21 days fasting. Obi who menim some na me be better. But obi who menim some mammy no toa egu akonchene so. But it will be 2 days you can identify say what me hoya. Why? Akonchene krema hu cry feel. You glow. You glow, but people don't know. Ni mo born say, sir, Christo na nipa na wo so wo mra mu no. A wo si Christo mu ye no. De wa ye ho no enka no. Missy me papa ko see what me preach gospel ma e ma wotumi su unye Christo ni abesu. O pija Christ ma hu se wa pija no as a trophy. What the chiro wo hoahoa no wo chiro ma hu se unye Christo ni a wo ye topoku kra. Onka ho. Wo lifting one kasa. O ma ne ye ka wo ma wo kon do so bebem. So we drew Ghana. Yes, I blew for over here. No Ghana for no more anymore. Oh, okay. There's a quite butcher now, a Christian, and also your home. All right. Ya to me, be bregu. But Nicosi, prosa. Interesting decent. Na first and cry you will say, near Tissika or Tar, dear, and she yamini munyam, a board day near the Ashayam. Wa brain she yamini munyam. Na me tata dear complete. Na me dear she decent, and dear present to Yamiasama. And I mean to me. And I back Christo my young shatter dear come on. See, and shatter the come dear. And you we are more country papa because you was more be am pam too. But when they make even people no come make you to na man o mo value no and say na o man you to na dia ma papa na so onhye o mo pejane standard no baby u gina wa awurade mu then they decorate nice suit me sure so on ko gina o kasa me pesta we but they look at him and form something perfect ebe lift baby u gina no e ho atade no mo pam ebe hye no kama. They see it from distance. Ni papa wo kasa chiri ni padodo obijira ni pase ni ti no obijira ni pulpit na nimu every Sunday you will ni padodo say ti si e man atade ahya ye nya atade ye decent as obi na no kasa obi kura mu na nimtia no ontimi fam present to nyame asem. So what you say? Yes, when you see no. His sister had a Jezebel. And I said, I was your address, and a Christian no address. Or you Jezebel, oh, sir. The Indian said, if you may buy Masuma dear to say basketball. A ring to basketball come. That's not right. If you are Mabuba Masumi all the way here, Asumadi Bisha, and Koye. Me ba masuma de kakra bi se me hye de so sin we kura enye too much ba wo ho na soma de na bi ha oti ase kakra kai mu round kakra ka wo to ade buma ebe yeye oti ase chains no wa fa bem e bia na ha na bi sa sanea kogu de furu so and what it no Obi kura was seen something was seen say obi wa body hini mu tokro no de asomade kura hyem no was seen say na nanu ya gong no Sani, say you're going too far. So what you say? But me see me who say, no Robert Nasi. Let me present to you, no because so I shout at the effect and our dressing decent or ye Jezebel. Let me who nip away. Oh, what she shines from into it. Let me who nip away. Bonky. I can't be any bonky auntie. Me and the picture me capture her. Mission animals, papa, they said they will see a chair cranium so on shall ring you. Because someone shall ring in a powerful. Fede me picture na bonky the shall ring. Hey! Bonky shall ring. Oh wow! And watching a class up into a could mom. Sim dear men, Miss Sam, Pepper Mucho. See, we are secret here, Juma, we are say. No more present to a mohokama, ye Juma Macraisa. Yem present here who come near Cassa will be a tea. And yes, I obey Juma. So, bonky, a lot of people, they even don't like whatever. The pictures of a bit of credit the year won't be. Please. My wife for any young girls, and ranty at Marie, and Mukutena Miasimu. One present to me, not a 7 nya corner, no will be Mary Christo. Shet in the bakwa, ya to sui in the sin ye. O cock preacher, for did you want to follow motu, clean yourself for come, bubu more ready to choose second, slap, in coon. Nkasa kotipo cleo Mrs. Sra nkun fankun sra wo we na wo de na enye kama vaseline ne de keka honi sra nkun de kama nya bi janfo nkun osem na make na pena fawo no brother na friend na wo preacher na wo tifa so no se de wo si papa ne firi wo no ba ene wo kasa ntesu di etire no ene ti na ma ne wo ko awe no enye yesu no mpena asem o wo a wo di asem de wa ye wo hu nti na ma ne wo ko awe enye yesu no mpena asem enye jesus no mpena asem nkoye enye o me se matasi ahwe hu se no how do we so cry is killing us na me kuna woni ne tie timi kasa wogya wo hu aguma empra he no no bi o wa bonte woni mi nyame asem wo ko preach at no on found if we can win them there we have to present I was see take something very serious important niema nipa hu se yesu kristo enye just ordinary se obi sakwa nti obi ba be presenting na sam dia kire obi a e wo se won kasa no wo look presentable sana wo se ya na ndi obi tira woni ma ye mobomobo samo nipa no obi ti kra o ti no he sa wo hu se wo no path na wonam so be nam so enya ade e be boa no ti se di obi busa ye no se papa Israel won ti se obi be ye kristoni a e kire se won koto o yesikani on koton na ho de nyina mahiafo na o medi kristo achia na simi bi wa en ni pantias ka wo se yesu kristo pam obaba wa na o de perfume be wo ni na ka so pam because ni kwa so de perfume ni na ko wo pam no nko we are okay to put perfumes on us you okay see this adiham eye ho but I was so hwe sa adiham kura wo to enye de be chia honhomone de di wachi ena nye too much fe mi tiri hu me na se me fe afi na asan bon ka krebi tu won se come odra sorry ubi America for mo pe hogu yi won pe so be hogu ni pa ko de fam no hogu oso hogu na ni ti kwa ha se ya o ti bibi firi wa so achi come on say you should hear yes sir ne ma Christo som no, especially this time here be and then new way no kwa dey are too much. Na me privilege eko White House. Ako preach akere mpanimfo. Na me jeja me ho agum. Na ma no nyina ye dry, ma ye fat dry fasting, na me ko bubo magu, me kasa na ne ntesu. Omo putiri me free wache. You putiri me free ho ache. As a young man, who suit to know about born decent. About time me basset. Se me beka so be shisi to atu se wa bomb na you decent. Boys me amu sha de. Regular bi so no be sha atu se ye. E no mama no try di ni ske di ko to suit. De wo won clean no. Wo yi ni ti come on. Abodjese no woni so wontumi nya wontumi ntwiti na woyi ni nyina ne nimu ida ho decent when so di Osama bin Laden no ne say ekrokrem say ne say kro di krokrem mo wure yi free akoka no mu kra yi fi no say kutemu Osama bin Laden chese wo ja na bodjese ne nkruni enkoye e mami no to say wo yi wa bodjese abeko je mo na ka kire ho ti misremi nuano me pa mo chow ene kakre bi say na me ne mo bekeka because ya hwi ya oh we would think say we are doing something so na ye hwi. Yes, we would think say the beauty is only in mesh, wig, any use, any makeup. Say sadi amankofo bi I think say the beauty is only mesh, wig, makeup and use. Tisa sani mani yifri mu na yintumi look presentable dia na ne ye kire se eno na ma nipa ho ye fe. Nti without that no eni kwase nipa kra wo luku ayibia. Nye fine. Ti misro. Imi ano mema no ma mo kan na manage ja wo ngum. Ya te ebe ye homework. Ibi tisi ye hu yi. Emba no mesrem ya him fie ye bed sisi bibia from head to toe yenye ne kama the so we nyina na be man still na chese wono ankasa no ne nim ba bi ofire yes yendi nini ye ready no nipadua no udware asra ohwe no nantine ya papa ya wade a ye di twie nantine wo kosto atobi twi ne kama ye wonkuni bi okwa wo de fa hodoma etimi clear nantine na papa no decent wasa ho na ihu kama slippers bi the shower fe socks I wanna ba oh ye yes wo hye socks na neat e shampabo no ma nice wo yito wa abu bi me fa nko mbema ni bi so last time say me kan no ubu ho yi ne socks to wa hey bra ade socks ba ko wo hye ne be 3 times wo ba mu ru shu ni go e bon fi obeka se bibi wo why change it snow ya toy the night prokotis no na no obabi wuram utumi se ne nano oyi socks en koyi boxer shorts nipa ba ko for be shane 3 times and remember be just wo catch and so ko dware why just kwa brani wa ware awo just the yiri titi ne sa akola catch and timiwura koko dware Ubi jare once, adiche once in you. The next day will be jare. And many biyana, I don't understand. Who you just an year slam? Me kuku jare. The more we say fufu ni no one daji. The dear the demons anye. bibia wo bedi ono so nya kam nkogem na waye dudu oso kanso ne saka wo obi a wo so kore wo so ye active nti mpem aguru nyina aya prosa energy bi ani ho oti ase eduane no yedi na nye yini diye ene meme wo bedu ebi 40 years kura wo no ahase fedra ye de for ba ni nyina ne se wo nhwe na duane di mu ye ebi no no nsa na ehojo Bible so aka wo ayi de say Proverbs 20 verse 1 ho say nsa we feel di for nsa de ye ntokope ni di otum ntintan ni nyansa ja enum ne besa eku yekunum bi susu mo osinto afi activeness a wo so onya na wo mpam no kora wonya yeso fedru ade yini diye jonko no doso jonko na wo yire try sa wo be ja die no wasese buka mu wo sesa wie no ja wie nkoyi tubu abrante o nyini no be bia so tumu se wo meso pese wo so wo kunu na ho de kofam a hwese de woni unhie mudim ahome se de esiba ohome se toto tumu se no nkoyi enuane so ye no ye sesa magi gum no ye di kum mema no ye nyai enye timisre me pa mo chawo ukunu usiesie na oyewa wo dia usiesie o yere oyewa wo dia eduane die no enye eduane die ni nye 9 o'clock ofreduma ba no bi difufu etam bibrebe gusu brade sister who cost to fruit ni ni ma be gu fridge oba biem no ni onyai enyo ti obeti agon tusu enkoye ebi so no jot isu be ku eno so be ku ti mesre me pa mo cho ene ye bubo ni ma bi se ya so teenagers no mano mrante ne teenagers no kire wo se di si di deodorant fifa ya moto maya no kire wo se di si dware eme ye ho nkan ye kama wa yitukusi no stiwo wa ekuya ko nwan ekuya ntu nwan ekuya I'm telling you say you better shower in shoes so bu gana ni twam konsini ni aso baketa konsu nso ni dware ahansu bu edwaye ni nipa ba ayi na ehye shower ni just get in and shower no stop for kodem ekuya go take akosi so you shower ni I shower yesterday me bo so much na ne hon kanko ne sikura won ko twitwi did you brush it kwa wa wie you finish brushing your teeth and yes wa wie o wa twitwi wie o di sey ye benyini enyo ese te kwa untwitwi se ne me twitwi me se adai my fasting nti ye fasting twitwi ese on ye fasting ye sin indidi I didn't be assim si fonso yeah hello yeah is your mom home yeah I'm coming yeah we are going to the movie right oh yeah okay I'll get ready. All right, bye. No, Dimmy. Go go there. You. Okoshe na tadi. No shane mpabo. No family jacket no. I say no see akuye. Ekuya, where are you going? We are going to the movie. Hey, do so dey what you choose. Oh man. Ka ho koko choose owura ho a blo mo bia wonte. Inkoye. Mr. Sunday school, omoba, nkolano mo so mo nkyerɛ how to, you know, make sure they're clean. Tell them to brush their teeth, you know, clean everywhere. Ebi no ma fe na bi kra maya no mu nyinya o period. Talk to them a bit when they come to Sunday school. Group na a group sorry way no. You do baby say let's talk about things. Personal hygiene, let's talk about it. Let's help these children too. Let's help this youth. Ubu atade ne shane keke, why we yi keke. No boy born. Ne hu boy born no e. Nkoyi e pam ni pefira so dem. E ma ko preach we en few. Ti ne kakra bi say na me na oka. Di wo wa so no nti di ho ne kasa kyera saf. Di woni aso die onkohwe. En de me nada. Di woni aso die oh me se won family enkohwe. Wo woni aso tie na nipa wonu mu kasa eba nkan etimi pam nipa. Ohu pampan etimi pam nipa. Ohu pampan etimi gu hwade. Ohu pampan etimi ma wo yiri dwane. Ohu pampan etimi ma wo ku dwane. Ohu pampan etimi ma be ma no peso be ware no dwane. Se di wusi aye ohu wusi wo na ma bra me change na dwane efiri wo ho. Get this. Anye sa wo bebregu. Anye sa wo bebregu. Misre we this wo hu ye mobo na o ma yenti ase. Jesus Christ made us say se ne den so adomo me na unam me e de sansem yaba yate yebeti e de be ye adwuma o Jesus Christ dim. Amen.